Cache data is the temporary data that an application stores in phone memory. How to clear Android app caches and data. Part 1. Clear cache and data of an application. If the problem is caused by a certain application on your mobile phone, you can select to remove the cache data of this app only. Part 2. Delete cache data of all applications. Sometimes the problem would be caused by several applications on the phone. Then do you need to clear their cache data one by one? Certainly not. You can choose to delete them once. Part 3. Wipe cache partition. Apart from app caches, there is also system caches which would lead to some system problems, like black screen, errors after system upgrade, etc. on your phone. While encountering this situation, you are unable to settle the issue by simply clearing the app caches. Extra tip: if you want to clean your Android phone completely and permanently, you can use Mobikin Eraser for Android to remove all your Android files with one click. When you want to switch to a new phone or delete some privacy information, you can download the free trial to have a try.